Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we're actually tracking two things right now. The first would be some showers and thunderstorms Thursday into Friday, courtesy of a slow-moving front. The second would be that potential tropical storm towards the end of the week, Friday night into Saturday. They are kind of related because that tropical storm could feed some moisture into the front, but in a way, they're separate because their effects could be quite a bit different. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. As we take a look at the satellite down towards Florida, a cluster of thunderstorms right now, and you can see the clouds from those thunderstorms kind of drifting towards the Florida coast. Right now, wind speeds 30 to 35 miles an hour. In order to get a tropical storm, you need those winds sustained at least 39 miles an hour. So over the next day or two, there's about an 80% chance this does turn into a tropical storm. So there's high confidence that this is a tropical storm. But where it goes after that, that's where it becomes a little more iffy. Here's what a lot of the computer models say. By Thursday, it would put it just offshore, actually just onshore to the Carolinas. And then Friday night into Saturday, just offshore from southern New England. Now, that offshore is a key part of the forecast because if this forecast holds up, impacts on the land would be very minimal. We could have some rough surf, big waves, but we might get some heavy rain inland. That would be about it. But obviously, when we're dealing with a tropical storm, we do get nervous when we're watching something like this, so we need to monitor this closely to make sure this track does not shift more to the left. Obviously, that would be a more serious situation as we went Friday into Saturday. For now, though, it's been a nice day if you like the warm and sticky weather. Temperatures in the mid-80s inland, at the coast a little cooler, 73 with some stiff breezes off the water. I think the sailboat's enjoying those breezes. Temperatures right now, 82 Providence, 81 Smithfield, 84 in Taunton. You can see those winds keeping the coast a little cooler in the mid to upper 70s. And no showers showing up right now on live Pinpoint Doppler 12. Satellites showing high pressure in control, kind of squashing out those showers as they try to make a run at us from the west. The high pressure also pumping in lots of heat and humidity, so it only gets more humid as we head into tomorrow, unfortunately. And when you have high humidity, temperatures overnight, they don't drop very much, so maybe the type of evening where you do need that AC turned on. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can see already temperatures in the low 70s after overnight lows tonight, in the mid-60s with some patchy fog. We warm it up quickly tomorrow, potentially a few degrees warmer than today inland, mid to upper 80s in places like Providence, Smithfield at the coast, in the mid to upper 70s courtesy of those winds from the southwest, and then another muggy night on the way for Tuesday. So here's that 7-day Futurecast. Obviously a lot going on. Could see some showers and thunderstorms late Wednesday night. And then Thursday and Friday, here comes that slow-moving front. And there's a pretty good bet that we do get some of these showers, thunderstorms, potentially some heavy rain. Now, there is a scenario in which the showers and heavy rain clear out in time for fireworks Friday night. So way too early to cancel stuff like this. We just need to watch it. And then it would be Friday night into Saturday morning where potentially that tropical storm is just offshore. And again, if that current forecast holds, the land impacts would be minimal. It's just something we need to monitor. If it does stay offshore, the weather for Saturday on the land would be pretty nice. Partly sunny, temperatures upper 70s and fairly pleasant. On Sunday, 82, mostly sunny skies, so not bad either, and then low 80s as we go into next week. Of course, you can always get more details on your weather forecast over on WPRI.com. TJ, Michelle, I've been updating the weather blog a lot. I'll be updating it again this evening for updates on that tropical system. You know, Pete, just driving around the neighborhood, you can see people's lawns. The grass is just burning at this point. You know, that's a very good point. We're about an inch below normal for the month of June for rainfall, so we could really use some rain. Obviously, we don't want flooding and tropical systems and stuff like that, but a little bit of rain would be nice. And we got to watch out for discarded cigarettes and stuff like that. Absolutely. Too. All right. Thank you, Pete. We have more coverage you can count on still ahead on Eyewitness News.